So when I first started out in dropshipping, I often wondered, are there any secret methods or strategies that the top dropshippers are using that could give me an advantage over everyone else? Well, I certainly was the known in my curiosity, as many new and experienced dropshippers till this day share the exact same thought. And with the uprising competition in the e-commerce space, it's natural to want to find ways to set yourself apart from the rest and succeed. That's why I am excited to share with life hidden dropshipping hacks. So let's dive in. Hack number one is offering a warranty. I have noticed that many dropshippers are selling products without offering a warranty add-on. Now you might be thinking, why should I bother offering a warranty? You just add extra cost, and I don't want to deal with the hassle of returns. But here's the thing, offering a warranty when somebody click on the add to cart button or in checkout can actually be a very smart business move. By offering a warranty for reasonable price, let's say $9.99, can actually increase your revenue and improve your customer satisfaction. Think about it. When customers are shopping online, they want to feel confident that they are making a good purchase. They want to know that if anything goes wrong, they have someone to turn to for help. By offering a warranty, you are giving them that peace of mind while at the same time increasing your revenue. The way we go about this here is by going to Shopify, creating a new product, making it as a detailed product, adding a warranty icon as the product image, and setting the price to $9.99. That's it. It does not take more than 2 minutes to set all of this, and the profit margin on this is extremely high. Now we move on to hack number two, that is Stripe activation. If you have been in the dropshipping industry for quite some time, you most likely noticed that Shopify has removed Stripe individually as a Stripe payment in the setting page, not allowing you to connect your ship account, but instead use payments to connect your Stripe account through their integration. So here's the solution. I have seen many dropshippers go around this by changing the country of the store, for example France, and configuring a bunch of other settings in the store to be able to see the Stripe again. This hack is much easier, so I'm sure you find this hack useful, but the next hack, it's even better. Hack number three is order tracking. Now once you have started receiving order to your Shopify store, your customer will have their tracking number for their orders sent to them by a supplier by email. And of course, your customer will want to track their order to see where they are and when they will arrive. So naturally, they will go to your website and navigate to your order tracking page. And what most dropshippers do is that they install app like Aftership or Track123 and pay every single month to allow their customer to check their orders. But there is actually free way to go about this. In the description of this video is an HTML code that you can use to enable this functionality on your store. You simply need to go to Shopify, create a new page and give it a name, toggle on the HTML text and paste the code there, then hit save. You can now see how it's work. The customer will simply just need to insert the tracking number as usual, and it would display all the information they need. So whether you are dropshipping at scale or just starting out, this will save you a lot of money in the future. Now let's move to hack number four, posting stories. It is important to show that your Facebook and Instagram page are active when your ads are running, because an active page can provide potential customers social proof that your brand is legit, trustworthy, and is engaged with its audience. Now when user sees an ad from a brand they are not familiar with, they are most likely to going to check the brand Instagram page to learn more about the product and the services, and also see if the brand is legit or not. So here's a hack: posting stories on your Facebook and Instagram account on every 24 hours. Now we move on to last hack, hack number 5. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another video. Let's go ahead and check out the hack number 5. Placement during testing phase. So when testing new products, add only Facebook feed and Instagram feed as placements. So these are placements that are proven to bring more sales in general. So don't waste money when testing at the start and instead target only those placements. Now you should keep everything in the asset level very broad. Don't touch the age range or for the device type. Add a maximum of one interest, and if your product is clearly targeted to men or women, then you can play with that. Otherwise, keep everything else as the default, as you need to give your ad set the freedom to optimize on its own, especially when you're testing out a new product with a pixel that has no data on it. Alright, I hope that you find this video useful. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to see more valuable content. Take care for now.